6 months. It's not a lot of time. Or is it? Think about this. 6 months from now, the clock will tick, the days will pass, and your life will either look exactly the same or radically different. The outcome depends on you. Here's the reality. Your time is your most finite currency. Every day, you're either investing it wisely or wasting it. Albert Einstein once said, "The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results." If you're waiting for change without taking new action, you're running in circles. 6 months can be a lifetime of transformation, but only if you're willing to work for it. Let's be clear, this isn't about motivational fluff. It's about understanding what works, applying proven principles, and taking deliberate action. Today, you'll learn how to build a life you're proud of, not someday, but starting now. Part 1. Define success on your terms. The first step to building your dream life is to define what success means to you. Not society's definition, not Instagram's, but yours. Viktor Frankl, a Holocaust survivor and psychiatrist, wrote, "When a person can't find a deep sense of meaning, they distract themselves with pleasure. Most people spend their lives chasing distractions because they've never defined their true purpose. So let me ask you, what does your dream life look like? Not vaguely, specifically. Success is a moving target if you don't define it. Write it down. Where do you live? What do you do for work? What kind of impact are you making? Don't be afraid to dream big. If your dreams don't scare you, they aren't big enough. Part 2. Visualize and condition your brain. Visualization is not daydreaming, it's mental conditioning. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist, explains, "Your brain doesn't know the difference between an actual event and an imagined one. When you vividly visualize your future, you're not just dreaming, you're training your mind to believe that future is possible." Athletes have used this for decades. Before a single race, Olympic runner Michael Phelps visualized himself winning hundreds of times. When he finally stood on the track, his brain had already rehearsed success. This isn't woo-woo, it's neuroscience. Start small, create a vision board. But don't stop there. Make it unavoidable. Your phone background, your workspace, even sticky notes on your fridge. Train your brain to recognize your future every single day. Because here's the truth. The only limits to your success are the ones you allow in your mind. Part 3. Reverse engineer the cost of your dream life. Dream lives have price tags, not just in money, but in effort. Most people shy away from this step because it forces them to confront reality, but clarity is power. Let's break it down. Take a pen and paper. List everything your dream life includes: your home, lifestyle, travel plans, career goals. Now, research. Find out what these things actually cost, down to the dollar. Write down the total. Don't let the number scare you. Now here's where the magic happens. Reverse engineer the process. Break that number into monthly, weekly, or even daily goals. Then ask, who has already done this? How did they do it? Find those role models. Study them. Borrow their blueprints. Tony Robbins said, "Success leaves clues. People who succeed at the highest level are not lucky. They're doing something differently." Part 4. Learn the art of value creation. The world doesn't reward you for what you want. It rewards you for the value you create. If you're serious about building your dream life, this is your mantra. How can I become indispensable? To do that, identify 2 things. 1. What skills or knowledge do you need to make your dream life possible? 2. Who can teach you these skills? Dr. Carol Dweck, the author of Mindset, explains that a growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through effort, is a defining trait of high achievers. So adopt this mindset. Study obsessively, seek out mentors, read books, take courses, and most importantly, practice what you learn. Remember, every skill you master is a brick in the foundation of your dream life. Part 5. Sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term greatness. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You can't build a new life while clinging to old habits. Sacrifice isn't optional, it's necessary. Think about it. How many hours have you wasted scrolling through social media? How many opportunities have you missed because you were too afraid or too comfortable? Time doesn't wait for anyone. James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, says, "You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Your systems are your habits. Change them, and you change everything." Start with 5 changes today. Sacrifice comfort for discipline. Wake up an hour earlier. Dedicate time to learning. Cut out distractions. These small daily actions compound into massive transformation. Part 6. Choose your circle with intention. Here's a hard truth. Your friends can either be your wings or your anchors. Research from Harvard shows that your social circle has a profound effect on your habits and mindset. So take a hard look at your environment. Do the people around you inspire and challenge you, or do they drain you? Jim Collins, in his book Good to Great, calls this getting the right people on the bus. Surround yourself with those who align with your future, not your past. Yes, it might feel lonely at first, but remember, loneliness is the price you pay for upgrading your life. Part 7. Reflect, adjust, and stay relentless. 6 months is not a finish line. It's the first chapter of a bigger story. Reflection is your compass. Every week, sit down and evaluate what worked, what didn't, what can you do better. Peter Drucker, the father of modern management, said, "What gets measured gets managed." Track your progress relentlessly. Small adjustments compound over time, and by the end of 6 months, you won't just see progress, you'll see transformation. The next 6 months will pass whether you act or not. But here's the difference. 6 months of deliberate effort can rewrite your story. Imagine the person you'll become, the life you'll live if you commit to this journey. Your dream life is not a fantasy, it's a decision. Make that decision today, because 6 months from now, you'll either thank yourself or wish you had started.